Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Christian Edgar once again, back with yet another exciting video. In today's video we have come up with a 3-bedroom bungalow, and this house has got a terrace. So what we are going to look at in this video is the quantities of materials and their costing that will aid us build this 3-bedroom house that has a terrace.
Having an engineer on site who knows what he's doing is a very good thing when it comes to construction of your house, because he will guide you on a few things on how best you can save on certain things when it comes to construction of your house.
If you don't have the money at once, it's best that you face the construction. You have the foundation first, then after the foundation you can do the block work, but the block work goes with the roofing. Then after the roofing you can now go to the finishing phase where you can do the fitting ins of the windows and doors. Then you can do the plastering. That is if you're using steel, but if you're using aluminium you need to plaster first, then you fit in the windows and doors. Without wasting time, let's see how much this house will cost us. Let's see how much money we'll spend on materials for us to build this 3-bedroom bungalow with the terrace. This is our material schedule, and in this material schedule we have phased the construction, by the way, just like how a structure is, just like how a structure goes when it's being constructed in real life. This is how we have phased the construction in this material schedule. So we start with the foundation of the house, and the foundation of the house we have the plinth wall. For the plinth wall we have BRC. We need to buy BRC, hardcore, DPM, Maram, and for mass concrete we need to buy cement, coarse aggregate, bricks, and lake sand and plaster sand, and that will bring us to a subtotal of 12,522,000 shillings. Heading to the ground floor slab, still under our foundation, the ground floor slab will cost us 5,402,200 shillings. So for the foundation of our house we'll spend 18,595,000 shillings. Then for the superstructure, our superstructure, right after the foundation we are going up. Under the superstructure we have the block walling, and there we'll need 6-inch blocks. These are, we will use hollow blocks for this case. And we need sand, we need cement, lake sand and plaster sand plus DPC, and that will cost us 8,376,000 shillings. Heading to the ground floor ring beam, which is still under our superstructure, the ground floor ring beam will cost us 3,926,600 shillings. We also need to buy poles and timber for scaffolding. This will aid the masons to do the brickwork that is above them on high levels. So we need 800 pieces of timber and 100 pieces of poles. So heading to the roof, our roof, we will need to buy common rafters 70 pieces, purlin 70 pieces, tie beams 86 pieces, then ridges we need to buy iron sheets, valleys 20 pieces, fascia boards, roofing nails of 4-inch, 3-inch and 5-inch. We also need to buy expanded metal for the ceiling, 4x2 timber, that is for the ceiling, and cement, lake sand and plaster sand for mortar casting of the ceiling, and that will cost us, the roof alone will cost us 12,173,200 shillings. So heading to the finishing phase, under the finishing phase we have the plastering, and the plastering we have the interior plastering and the exterior plastering, that includes the ceiling, and that will cost us 6,460,300 shillings. So heading to the floor finishes, for the floor finishes we will spend 6,792,800 shillings. Heading to the windows, as I've earlier said that here we have quoted for steel windows, but there is also an option of using aluminium windows, and there are some who opt for aluminium than steel. So if you're to use steel, you first do the fitting in of the windows and doors, then you plaster later. But if you're to do aluminium, you have to first plaster the walls plaster the whole house, then you bring your aluminium windows and doors when they are already made, then fit them in. But aluminium is more expensive than steel, depending on your pocket. Anyway, so the windows and doors will cost us 12,334,400 shillings. Heading to the painting section, the painting section will cost us 964,700 shillings. Heading to the electrical installation, we need to buy 25mm conduits, 40 pieces, 32mm conduits, 15 pieces, 25mm bends, 60 pieces, 32mm bends, 30 pieces, 25mm circular boxes, 35 pieces, and 32mm circular boxes, 15 pieces, 25mm couplers, 90 pieces, 32mm couplers, we need 30 pieces, adaptable boxes, 3 pieces, meter box we need 1, consumer unit we need 1, PVC solvent we need 5 pieces, 5 tins, binding wire, single moldable boxes we need 25 pieces, double moldable boxes we need 25 pieces, nails we need 20 kgs, then PVC pipes we need 3 only. And the electrical installation will cost us 2,165,000 shillings. So heading to the plumbing section, under the internal water supply phase, we need to buy PPR gate valves of 32mm. I will need 15 pieces, PPR end caps of 32mm, we need 20 pieces, PPR elbows of 32mm, we need 15 pieces, PPR reducing sockets, we need 20 pieces, those are 32mm by 25mm, PPR pipes of 32mm, we need 5 pieces, PPR elbows of 25mm, we need 20 pieces, PPR tees of 25mm, we need 50 pieces, PPR female elbows of 25mm by half an inch, we need 50 pieces, and those are all for internal water supply. Now for the external drainage, we need to buy PVC tees 1.5 inch, 64 pieces, we need PVC plugs 1.5 inch, we need 64 pieces, PVC drainage pipes of 1.5 inch, we need 12 pieces, Gintex solvent, we need GI socket nipples of half an inch, we need GI socket nipples of 3/4 inch, we need PVC drainage pipes of 4 inch, we need 10 pieces, PVC bends of 4 inch, we need 6 pieces, galley traps of 4 inch, we need 3 pieces, wash and basins we need 5, toilets we need flushing toilets we need 3, and angle valves. So for our terrace, for the columns will spend 884,600 shillings. For our terrace slab we'll spend 2,088,600 shillings. Then for the staircases, the staircase that will enable us access the terrace will spend 2,517,500 shillings. And now the grand total that will help us buy the materials that will build this 3-bedroom bungalow with the terrace will end in 89,200,500 shillings. Yes, and that will enable us buy the materials that will aid us build this 3-bedroom bungalow with the terrace. Now if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscription button too, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always returning to the videos. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.